Most people are using AI wrong. They ask a question, get an answer, and then do all the work themselves. That is not leverage. That is just search with better sentences. OpenClaw is different. It turns AI from a chatbot into an operator, something that can remember your world, talk through your channels, and help work move forward even when you are not staring at a chat box. ChatGPT answers. OpenClaw acts. Think of it as your personal AI operator. It runs close to you on your device or through a hosted path, and it connects to the apps where work already happens. Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, Discord, Signal, iMessage, Gmail, Calendar. Instead of opening a new chat every time you talk to the same assistant from your normal channels, and it carries context with it. That is the first unlock. AI stops being a tab you visit and starts becoming a system around you. Under the hood, OpenClaw has 3 layers. The first layer is the brain. That can be GPT, Claude, Gemini, Qwen, Sarvam, or another model. Around the model you add skills, triaging requests, drafting emails, writing LinkedIn posts, researching competitors, summarizing meetings, or debugging scripts. And then memory makes the whole thing compound. The second layer is channels. This is where the agent speaks to you, Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, Discord, Signal, or other messaging apps. The third layer is tools. Files, browser, calendar, Gmail, cron jobs, APIs, local scripts. Brain decides. Channels communicate. Tools execute. Together, that is what changes AI from an answer box into an operator. Setup should not feel scary. For an individual, the local path is basically, run OpenClaw on your laptop, onboard the gateway, connect one channel, and send your first message. If you do not want setup friction, use a hosted or cloud path when available. The important idea is choice. Local gives you control, hosted gives you convenience. And because this is a personal agent that can use tools, be careful with permissions. Keep the dashboard local, protect credentials, and approve risky actions. Once it is running, the dashboard becomes your control room. You can chat with the agency channels, configure tools, inspect sessions, create agents, install skills, and set cron jobs. This is where OpenClaw stops being abstract. You can see the gateway running. You can see Telegram connected. You can see the agent call tools. You can see a recurring morning brief scheduled. That visibility matters, especially when your assistant is allowed to act. But the real magic is memory. Most AI chats start from zero. You repeat your project, your priorities, your team, your preferences, your decisions, and your working style again and again. OpenClaw changes that with workspace files. Soul.md defines who the agent is and how it should speak. User.md captures who you are and what matters to you. Memory.md stores long-term facts and decisions. Agents.md gives operating rules. Heartbeat.md powers proactive checks. That is why memory is the moat. Every useful conversation can make the next one sharper. This is where the onboarding prompt matters. Instead of manually writing all those memory files, the prompt interviews you. Who are you? What are you building? Who do you work with? What should your agent help with? What should it never do without asking? What should be in your morning brief? Your answers become the agent's workspace. The prompt turns a generic assistant into your assistant. If you want the exact prompt, comment CLAW and I will share it. Now imagine tomorrow morning, 7 am. You did not ask anything. Your agent checks your calendar phase, priorities, blockers, and one live signal. Then a Telegram brief arrives, today's meetings, urgent replies, top priorities, and one thing you should not miss. That is the difference between a chatbot and an operator. Then you can go one level deeper. You are still the owner. You set direction and approve what matters. Below you is a chief of staff or orchestrator agent. Then specialist agents handle focused work, research, code, email, analysis, scheduling, or operations. One generalist is useful. A small team of specialist agents is leverage. Start simple. One working channel, one useful memory setup, one morning brief, one recurring workflow. Then let the context compound. The people who win with AI will not be the people who ask the most questions. They will be the people who build systems that keep getting smarter. Comment CLAW and I will share the onboarding prompt. Like, share, and follow or subscribe for more AI operator workflows.